Yeah, all of you, this is a message for new joinings today. So already we have completed 2 sessions. In session 1, we have covered importance of Python. And what are the benefits with that? 1 and 2 have already discussed. And in session 2, of course, addition to that benefits, we discussed about collections in Python. The collections, please, someone please repeat what are the basic collections?
List, tuple, and dictionaries.
Tuple, dictionary.
List, tuple,
List,
dictionary.
tuples, dictionary.
Okay.
And nested things.
Yeah, nested things also have discussed. A combination of list and tuple, combination of list and dictionary. So different combinations we have discussed. So who are new to attend, attending this session as first time, please go through the recording session of this one. And in session 2, we have covered about multi-dimensional objects. Okay. Now we are going to start session 3. It's about little practical. So for now, no need to install anything. So all of you, I hope all of you with readily with your laptops. So in Google, just type in Google search, please type Google Colab. Google Colab. All of you do this along with me. So along with you, I am also doing the same thing for you. I'm typing simply Google Colab. Without installing anything. Okay, but next class onwards, we work with some installed product. Okay. So what is that we will see. All of you do the same thing. Did you get something like a research.google.com?
Yes.
Please confirm me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please click on that. All of you get like this. Sir, today little practice session to all of you. Please cooperate with me. Please confirm me once I did some activity. You also please do the same thing and confirm me what you did. Did you get something screen like me?
टायमिंग काय 4 to 5 AM
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाण्याबद्दलच डिस्कशन सुरू आहे अर्धा तास झाला
Sir, we are getting your screen. No problem.
Sir, you are muted, I guess. We are not able to hear your voice.
Now, please. Are you getting my voice now?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
we can
Yeah.
hear you.
Yeah. So please, did you get screen like this?
Yes, we are in the same place, sir.
Yes, very good. All of you click on this button called code. All of you click on this button called code. Here, first one. Yeah. Okay. Do this now. Along with me, please do this now. A equal to 100. B equals to 200.5. C equals to, let's say, hello. I hope all of you doing this.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Click on this. Click on this run button. If you are executing something on Google Colab, first time execution will take time.
Asking for sign in.
Yeah, please do sign in. Please do sign in with your email ID.
Sir, we can use even Jupyter, right, sir?
Yeah, that will be from next session onwards.
Okay.
Today,
Thank you.
without installation anything, just please proceed with this. So once done, please confirm me.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay. One more time, click on code. All of you just check out type of A and run it.
Oh.
What is the data type of A? Integer. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. For a few minutes, I will mute you. I just muted you all. One more trial. Do this along with me. Type of B. And please do your observation. Please check it. Data type is now float. One more last trial. I'm saying type of C. Running this. So please check the output. str. str means data type is string. Clear? Okay. Now final message. I want to print something. Print. C, comma. Within the double quotes, I'm giving a small string called space and then all. Please check the output. All of you confirm me. Are you getting or not? I'm unmuting you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now a small trial to you. So please listen my voice. My requirement is like this. Name is Ravi. Okay. Age value is 25. I want a message. Like this. Hello all. I am Ravi. I am 25 years old. So this should be as my output. Come on, please do this. And confirm. I want this output, sir. Think that your name is Ravi. Your age is 25. I need this output to be printed. Hello all, I am Ravi and 25 years old. Come on. What you have to do? Today only practice session for beginners. Tomorrow onwards we go for advanced concepts. I'm waiting for you, sir.
So here we declare name equal to Ravi and age equal to 25. In the print statement, we'll write hello all. I am in the place of Ravi. We will keep name. And then at the age 25, we keep age variable.
Yeah.
Years old.
Yeah. Simply the statement is like this. I'm going to print something. Print.
Double quote.
Within the quotes. Okay. That can be double quote or that can be a single quote even. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Within the quotes.
Hello all.
Hello all.
Double quote and comma start.
After that, comma I need. After that, one static value I am. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
After that, space I need. I am closing the double quote.
Yes.
After that, I am giving comma.
Yes.
So this is a constant value, which is string constant value.
Yes, sir.
After that value, whatever the value is there in the variable called name, I need that value.
Name.
After comma, I am giving name. Okay. After that, once again, comma. Right? After that, one string word, what we need? End. Okay. Space end. Because after name, we are expecting the string word called name. That's why space and then end. After end also I need one space. After that I need value from the variable age. I'm giving age here, right? Comma,
Double quotes.
double quotes or single quotes, your wish. Okay.
Years old.
Again, after 25, I need one space again. That's why I'm giving a space here.
Inside the double quote.
Then years,
Old.
right?
Yes.
So this is what my simple print statement. Please check all these things in the execution. I'm giving something. Name equal to Ravi. Age equal to 25. After that, I'm printing. I'm applying my print statement previously. Please check the output now. The same as expected or not?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay. So in this
Sir,
way,
I
you can
observe,
keep.
it is taking space automatically, I observe.
It is not giving space automatically. We have given space here. We have
Okay.
given space here. We have given space here. Right?
Actually, there are two spaces.
It is, yeah, it is giving.
Yeah, if you can remove that space and run it again, then we can see.
Yeah. Please check it now. I'm removing the space here. I'm removing the space between after and before and. Okay.
Okay.
And before years also I'm removing the space. Please check the output now.
Mistake.
What happened?
It's taking space.
It
Single
has,
space is there.
yeah, it has taken the space only for Google Colab, only for Anaconda Jupyter.
Yeah, okay, understood.
Okay, only for Google Colab, only for Anaconda Jupyter.
VSS also.
Okay, what you said is correct. But if you write in a core, if you install core Python, if you do like this, what will happen is after I am, there is no space between Yam and Ravi. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, sir, understood.
yeah. So that will be like this. That is why better practice, because today you are working with the Google Colab. Tomorrow you might work with Jupyter. Tomorrow you might work with other different tool about Python. Tool to tool, the rules might be different. That's why always better practice is what? Whatever you are expecting in the output. Suppose if you are expecting some space in the output, give space after the string. And then variable name. Okay, got all of you. Because it will be difference between tool to tool. That means because there are many Python frameworks are there. According to the framework, we need to follow their rules. If you follow like this, this will be the common rule for all the frameworks. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one more simple trial. All of you do along with me.
Sir, I have doubts.
Yeah, please.
Sir, whatever we are practicing in the Google Collaboratory and the same steps we are following in the Ubuntu PySpark shell, is it worked?
Little syntax differences.
Okay.
Little syntax differences. Did you get my point? Yeah.
Yeah. Other Python, Anaconda, Jupyter notebook.
Yeah, in Jupyter, same rule like Google Colab.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, sir. So how to shift to next line? I mean to say like name, after that age will be there, right?
After name and age.
No, just next line. How you are shifting?
Just enter, man.
Click on enter.
Just enter. Just enter and give any other statement. Okay. Okay. Later I will speak about Python coding rules. Okay. Yeah. Now, all of you do one thing. Now, currently, I want to maintain my student details. Tell me, for me, student is single or multiple?
Student single.
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 Student is
Multiple
single or multiple? For
Multiple
me,
students. Yeah.
multiple.
Multiple.
If it is the case, go as a list. What is the symbol for list?
Square brackets.
Yeah. My first student is Mr. A. Okay. Let's say my first student name is Amar. Second student, Ravi. Third student, John. Next student, Shahrukh. All of you check this. Print student. And please tell me your observation now. Sir, I know already a lot of seniors are there of Python in our group. For today, the session is only for beginners. This is the initial practice session.
We will get four.
Hmm.
4 names.
All of you do one more thing. Please do type of student. What you got?
String. Sorry, list.
That means object type is list.
List.
Each element of that list is
String.
String.
Okay.
Now, just a question. Do we need to give in double quotes or a single quotes is also working?
Sir, both you can give. Both you can give. But when to use the combination of double quote and single quote, I will explain later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just follow me. Yeah. One more simple practice for you. I'm sorry. From here. All of you do this. For I in. What is our previous list name, sir?
Student.
Student. For I in student. Okay. Later I will speak about coding rules. Just this is a little hands-on practice. Okay. All of you do like this. For I in student and then colon. Do one thing. Print I. After completion of this statement, you tell me your observation. First you execute, then I will execute.
In first statement, we got as a one-time action array, but in the for loop we are getting as a string.
Did you get like
individual
this?
String.
Did you get like this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please.
It traverses through the list.
That means indirectly it is a loop, right?
Yeah, it's a loop.
Okay. In traditional programming style, what will be the case? Suppose in traditional programming. Suppose you are an expert in C language. What is the style?
We will be like declaring like initialization, then condition.
First I equal to 0.
I less than or equal.
I less than.
After that you have to perform a loop.
less than or equal.
After that you have to
Directly inside we can give.
suppose if it is a loop, if it is a while loop,
Condition.
I less than or
I-
equals to I less than or equal to
Length of
Length of.
student. Okay. After that,
Print state.
print
I.
student of I.
Increment the I.
After that,
Increment.
you are giving one increment for I. like this, right? Instead of doing all these things, this style is available already in Java also. So in Python, that is more simplified. For variable I in student, how many elements are there for the student? There are 4 elements.
4 elements.
In first iteration, the value of I is Amar. Amar value will be printed. Okay. In the second iteration, the value of I is Ravi. The Ravi is printed here. In third iteration, that is John. John is printed. In fourth iteration, that is Shahrukh. The Shahrukh is printed here. All of you got it? How many times this loop will be run?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Do one thing.
4 times.
So 4 times. Please say me the generic answer for this.
Length of the
Length of the
student of the list.
that means length of the list. Length of the list. Length of the list. Right? Okay. Now, one more simple trial. All of you say like this. For I in range of 10. For I in range of 10. Print I, please.
It starts from 1, then
So
Start 1 to 10.
no, don't
Starts
say
from 0.
don't
and
say
prints till
theory.
9.
Don't say theory. Please execute and tell me your observation.
Starts from 0 and prints till 9.
0, 1,
0 to 9. It starts from 0 till 9. It will try to print till 9.
All of you understood this?
Yes.
I think no need to explain about. I think no need to explain about theory.
Yeah.
Right?
Index starts from 0.
Yes. That means if I say something range of 100 means.
Indexing starts with 0.
so always index it will take 0, please.
Always initial number starts with 0, 0 to 10 minus 1.
10 minus 1.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Same thing. Do one more trial, please. N is equal to 5. Print I from I in.
Sir, sorry, sir, interrupt.
Yeah, please.
I got an error like identified block. What is this identified block? The
So,
above.
Indentation block.
Yeah, intended. Sorry.
So please forget about coding rules now.
Okay.
Okay, you might have given like this. Okay, at that time you will get error message like this.
Yeah, got that.
Okay. So just I did not enter into the coding rules till now. Just do.
Thank you, sir.
Just do like me like this. Yeah.
Here this in is a predefined variable. What in stands for, sir?
Not I, sir. What is your name?
My name is Deepak, sir.
Your name is Deepak. I am giving Deepak here. I don't teach any theory. Please observe your observation. In the place of I am giving Deepak. Now tell me, otherwise I will kill Deepak.
No, sir, I am asking about in. I am asking about in. Is it a predefined variable?
It's not variable. It's not variable. Predefined literal.
Okay.
Okay, it's a predefined. It's a reserved word. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One doubt here. Deepak is the variable.
Variable. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now I am saying something. All of you say, according to this, print Deepak. Before executing, please tell me your guessing.
9. No, not good, sir. Means it will variable not different.
No. You please don't execute and see the output and tell me. Don't tell me
That's
like
error.
that. What is the output of
9.
Deepak?
So
Not defined.
Should be 9.
It should be.
9.
it should be like
Understood.
9.
Nine times it will give Deepak.
Because how many times this loop is iterated?
10 times.
9 times or 10 times?
10 times.
What is the
10
last
times.
value? What is the last value?
9.
9.
Or it.
That means here Deepak is a global variable or local variable?
It's global.
Global.
Local variable.
No.
Variable.
Global.
Arey man, it's a global man. If it is local, how I got access Deepak after completion of the
Yeah,
tape?
that's what.
Oh, it's a global, yes.
Understood. Okay. All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more simple example. All of you do like this. Name equals to. Let's give my name. All of you say like this. Name dot upper of. No theory, please, only practical. What is your guessing? From the practical, you can observe, you can learn a lot of things. Please do that.
The name is
Okay.
printed.
It is
in
the name
capital
is
letters.
printing in uppercase letters.
Okay. Right. Okay. One more trial, please. So please do along with me. Please do along with me. One more trial, please. Yuva. Let's say Deepak. Okay. Our is equal to your dot upper. Don't print it. What is the value of our?
Deepak in capital letters.
Deepak in
D, all of capital letters.
all capital letters, it will be printed.
Okay, think that now already the variable our is in uppercase, right? I want to convert that into lowercase.
Dot lower.
Our dot layer.
Our dot lawyer.
Again, you are reconverting that into
Lowercase.
we did not print that. Print. So if the variable is last one, no need to apply the print statement. Just say LW. Again, uppercase is converted into lowercase or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. All of you completed this practice?
Sir, one simple question.
Yeah, please.
After the variable, we are giving dot and then we are giving the predefined function. So I have seen some languages where we give method, predefined function inside the brackets and we give the variable. So
those are like different concepts. Yeah, simply for now, not to confuse to the new members, I will say one thing.
yes, sir.
Sum of salary. What is your understanding?
Yeah, we are actually calculating sum of all the salary.
There is something sal dot sum. What is this?
Depending on programming language, maybe if it's Python, then it should be
No.
the sum of.
Both styles are available in Python.
Oh, okay.
Both styles
Second
are.
one is a function.
First one is
Calculating
function,
on-
man. First one is function. Okay.
Okay.
In the case of second one, here salary is object. Understood? Sum is a method of that object.
Okay.
In this way, many dimensions are there for a particular function notation. So once we entered into object-oriented programming, you will get a clear clarity of that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. For now, just follow me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So one more simple example for you. All of you do like this. All of you do this. Yes, madam.
No, is this print statement is we
What-
have right.
Yeah. What is the importance of print? I will tell you, madam. One thing, please, all of you observe.
No, no, sir. Previous program is there.
Yeah, yeah. Just please wait.
Print of.
Array, madam, please wait. You will get idea. A
Okay,
equal to
sir.
10. I am saying B equal to 20. C equal to 30. If you say A comma B comma C, can just run it. What you will get? What you got?
C. Only the
What you
last
got?
one.
Only the last one.
last
you got.
value.
Suppose you want to get all the things, then apply print statement. That's it.
Okay, easy.
Okay, print A, print B. Oh, sorry. Where is that? Print B, print C. Now just check the output. You got all the things or not?
If we keep the last one,
Sir, how we
then
can
also it should be 10, 20, 30 or 10 and 20.
10, 20, 30, man. Just
No,
observe in the
if we-
same. Just
No,
observe in the
it's
same
the last
sequence.
one.
No,
No, the last one, if I don't put print, I just put C.
Just 10,
Print
20,
A, print
30.
B. Okay.
Don't ask me, man. Just try.
Yeah.
Just try. Man, if you ask a lot things, you will not learn. You just only the things. Instead of saying print C, I'm just saying C and check the output, and you will be learning from this. Did I get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood? All of you. Okay. And this is what the answer for the previous madam question. Now, so I wanted to say something, but I forget, sir. Yeah. I got it. All of you do this. See computer. Just simply run it. Don't print anything. Just simply run it. Done or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, all of you say like this. Yes of a 0. Check the output now.
It will print index 0.
C.
I'm not asking you output. I'm asking you what is your observation from this.
It
So
will
it
get
is printed
the
index value
of
0.
string.
Value from the
It's
First
an index.
location
0 is
value.
the index
First
of the string.
It's a printed string value. The index 0.
String is
from
array of
string.
characters.
It will try. It will print character.
I think too much crowd from kids' voice. So please observe my activities. After that, I come to the assignment. I'm saying now, sorry. I'm saying now, yes of 1. Please observe my output. That means like C language or C++ or Java language, in Python also, indexing starts from a 0. If I 0 means I got first character. If I say 1 means I got second character. Okay. I'm going for reversing. I want last character. Before going for last character, first I need to understand how many letters are there. Len of S. In computer, in the word computer, how many letters are there? Totally 8 characters are there. Okay. That's why len of S means I got 8 as answer. I want last one. if indexing starts from 0, if last character is 8th one, 8 minus 1 is how much? 8 minus 1 is 7. Then I need to say S of 7. Understood? Then I will get the last character as R. But in this case, I know how many characters are there. That is 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. I can say S of 7. Instead of doing that, one more way, which is second way I'm doing that. S of len of S, which is 8. I'm saying minus 1. Now just check it. I got R. This is second way. Suppose if I have 13 characters, 13 characters means what are the index number sequence? 0 to 12, right? 13 minus 1 is 12. That's why I got 12th index character. But still easy way is there in the Python. Instead of doing all the things, if I want first one, I can go like this, S of 0. If I want last one, I can apply a reverse indexing also like this, S of minus 1. That means from last first one. What is from last first one here in the given string? That is R, from last first one. You please check the output. I said S of minus 1. All of you got it? Come on, I'm unmuting you. Please check it and confirm it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got
Yes,
Got it.
Yeah. So please hold on the same. Yeah. All of you try with S of minus 2. What is your observation on that? S of minus 2.
E.
That means what?
E, sir.
So that means when we start from first, then first index value is 0. And when we start from last, then first index value will be 1.
Not first index is 1. Minus
Sorry, last
1.
index.
Minus 1.
Minus 1, okay. Yes.
Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. Okay.
Yes.
Come on, sir. Now I am going to apply sample things like slicing. Okay.
Sir, is there any way to optimize the speed performance of the Python indexing?
Sir, for different solutions are there for that indexing. Okay, because till now I did not enter into how to create our index object, right? So once we entered into how to create our index object, then you can understand how to optimize this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now please try to follow. Please try to follow this.
Sir, one simple question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So you're talking about minus 1, minus 2 reverse indexing. Is it same with the list and rest of the collections as well, or only for the string?
Everything, sir. Because I wanted to make you hands-on with some basic practice. That's why my intention. First, I am attacking with string. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later, you will feel very easy when I step into the list, tuple, and dictionaries.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
That too. You will feel more easy when I go for combination, nested collections, combination of list and tuples, combination of list and dictionaries. Then you will feel more easy.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
So for now, plus just do follow me. Now all of you know the variable value is computer. Sir, all of you observe this. I am saying simple statement. S of 0, 3. You're guessing, please don't execute it. Before executing, you're guessing. Please.
Substring from 0 to 3.
From 0 to 3, the letters
C
will
and
be
P. C and P.
COM.
COMP.
COMP. Starting with 0 and 3 characters.
Sir, computer, right? In case of SQL, you apply a function called substring, right? Same thing here in Python. In Python, the guessing is like this. All of you observe my statement here. S of start index colon end index.
So n index -1, right, sir?
Just wait. I have given start index colon end index. The rule for this always start index includes, right? If it is end index excludes. So excludes means what here? Omitted. Okay. So in our statement, I have given the statement as S0:3. What indexes it will take? Please tell me. Index numbers only, please tell me.
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2. That means 3 won't be taken, right?
Yes.
That means how many characters will be the output?
3.
3 characters. But most of your answers are 4 characters. Why? All of you understood that?
Yes.
Okay. Now check the output, please. S of 0:3. Come on, all of you do test it. All of you do test it on your system and tell me the output.
COM.
Got it or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Understood?
Yes,
Understood the rule here? All of you clear? One more final test for you. So still I am printing the value of S. My S value is computer. Revan, it's not printed. The S value is printed. The S value is computer. I want to take only PUT, sir. I want to take only PUT from this computer. Please do that. Tell me.
Sir, S index 0 start from 3 to 6.
3 to 6.
3 to 7, sir. Yeah, 3 to 6, sir.
3 to 6. 3:6.
No, sir, 4 to 6. 4:.
The car index of that.
4:7.
Okay.
4:7. 4:7.
Okay. All of you listen.
3:7, sir.
Array man, please listen. In PUT, where P, what is the starting position of P?
3.
I am asking position.
It should be 3:6.
No. So please reply
Position
me.
is 4.
3.
Array man,
Position is 4.
Position is 4. Position is 4.
position is 4, right?
Yes.
Position
Index
4.
value is
Position 4 means index number is what?
3.
3. Got it? From P, how many characters you want?
3.
3 plus 3, how much?
6.
6. 3:6. That's it. Did you get it or not?
Yes.
Okay. If you know start index, from that onwards, how many continuous characters you want, if you know the length of that, okay? Start in index plus length of that continuous characters. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What I want, one more thing. One more last try. Just check the output of yes.
Jermaine, do you want me to vote on these ones or should I just ride along again?
Sorry.
this time?
Yeah, why don't you let it go?
I'm checking the output of yes.
And sorry, I
Computer.
left the meeting early. That was an accident. My finger was hovering over the third.
This
button.
minute,
Yeah.
this moment, I want output as computer. Come on, please. I'm waiting for you.
Once again, tell me, sir.
So Brittany, you'll have to.
All of you listen because noise is rising. I want from P onwards all the remaining characters. Observe this. Yes of. What is the starting position of P? Fourth one. Fourth one means what is the index number? 3. 3 colon. From 3 colon onwards, how many things I need? Till end I need. If you need till end, no need to give end index. You will get automatically computer. All of you try this and confirm me. Unmuting you.
Yes, sir. Getting the same.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Once again unmuting. Once again muting you, please. This time, please observe this. Once again, I am printing value of entire string. The value is computer. I want only COMPU, right? That means except last 3 characters, remaining all the things I need. Except last 3 characters, remaining things, all the things I need. Okay, just check it. If R is -1, E is -2, T is -3. Okay. For you, what is the index number? For you, what is the index number? Just check it now. I am saying that yes of colon. Colon before start index. I am not giving any start index. Except last 3 remaining all the things I need. That's why here I am saying -3. -3. Just check the output. Should I get output as COMPU or not? I got it or not? Please confirm me now from your execution. Unmuting you.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah.
Without
But
minus
here
One minute.
also
One minute, all of you. 1 minute, all of you. I have given the value called computer, right? In the first statement, I have said to get computer. What I did, I just give only start index. Start index is 3. End index I did not give. Okay. My output is what? What is my output here? Computer.
Computer.
After that, I said colon. After that, I said colon. But before colon, I did not say anything. After colon, I said -3. Got it or not?
Yes.
So here in the first example, so what is the output? What the output we got here?
Compute.
Position to last position of the.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute, sir. Here end index missed, right?
Yes.
In the last, start index missed. Understood?
Yes.
Now, please tell me, if end index missed, what will happen?
print all the values till end.
That means till. Can I
Till
say
end.
like this?
Character.
Can I say like this? Till last it will take, right?
Yes.
If start index missed, what is your understanding?
From first.
From
that last index to first, it will print on.
Can I say like this?
Beginning to that last. Yes.
But if I said -3, why I said -3? -3 is T.
From last.
Just listen. Always last index excludes. That means except T, before T it will take it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
I have a question here.
Yeah,
That
please.
What is the difference between four? We have given 4 commands. Like we have given S colon. If we give the S colon, there is no start index, there is no end index, then it will print whole string computer. And if I say, if I second case is that if I print S itself, it give the output computer. And third one is if I say that start index is 0 colon and I did not give the end index, then again it will print computer. So what is the difference between printing S, only S, and by giving the string from 0 to S? Got my question, sir?
Is your question like this?
Yes, sir. And also print S. One more thing, print S. These three have the same output.
Yes
Then
equal
what-
to, yes equals to, yes of colon equals to, yes of 0 colon equals to, everything is same.
Yeah, you missed one more thing. Is equal to S of colon is to -1.
No, don't say -1, except last character, remaining things will come.
So there is no difference between the idea.
Yes.
Although output is same, but the idea what we are giving here, the command what we are giving here has the same.
That's it.
Okay.
But one thing, whenever you want full thing, simply call this. Why you worry about
Yes.
index numbers? But someone said like this. If I say like this, what will happen? If colon -1, what will happen? If I say like this, what will happen?
You will not get last character R.
Except last character, remaining all the things you will get, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So if I wanted to start from second index and I want 4 characters from second, so can I give as 2,4 or something like that?
Simply, you want from second index. What is the second index number?
1.
Second index means 1. First index is 0.
Yes.
Second index is 1.
1.
From 1 onwards, you need 4 characters. 1 plus 4, how much?
5.
5. If I say like this, what indexes it will take? What indexes it
Until
will take? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 5 is excluded, 1 is included. Total number of characters you will get 4.
Yeah, here we are calculating that, I mean, index numbers, but can we give like number of characters?
That's it. That's it. After 1, I need 4 characters. That's why 1 plus 4, 5. In the previous example, suppose what is your name, sir?
Tulsiram.
Tulsiram, good name. I'm not giving any space between Tulsiram. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tulsiram. I want Volasi, sir. Got my point.
Yeah.
Come on. What is the starting position of your character?
1.
No, position.
Position is second.
Position 2, index number.
1.
Okay, then you tell me, please. Name of. Starting position 2, index number 1.
1 colon.
I need only Volasi. I need only Volasi. Total how many characters?
6
characters.
No man, 5 man.
5 characters.
1 plus 5. 1 plus 5.
6.
1 plus 5. 6.
Yes.
What indexes it will take?
1 to 5.
Indexes only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Come on, tally with this original name. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, but my question is like, is there any way to give the number of characters only without specifying the index?
Yeah. What I said is number of characters means I have counted here.
Yeah.
I have counted here. What you are expecting from this to this one, I have counted here and I have done.
Yeah, here we have given that index, right? So let's say I have like start from second, and I need let's say like 10 characters. So,
okay. Yeah, like simply give that this name. You need from second character. That means index number 1. I plus 1 is how much? I plus 10 is how much? 11.
Yes.
Suppose I equal to previously I equal to let's say 1. From second onwards, you need what? Coming 10 characters you want I plus 1. I plus 10. If you want to make it as a dynamic. Understood?
Yeah. Thank you.
Suppose if I value is 1, I plus 10 is how much?
11.
11. That means what indexes it will take? I2?
1 to
that means 1
to 10.
1 to
10.
1 to 10 only.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
That means second character onwards coming 10 characters, right?
Yeah.
So remember one word, last index always excludes. That will be omitted. Okay, before that everything will be taken.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I need some fourth to all the remaining. Fourth to remaining. Now, what is that? Name of
4 is to
4.
No.
3 to
3 is to 3 colon only.
Okay. Suppose my employee IDs are like this, sir. My employee IDs are like this. 101 HYD, 102 Delhi, 103 Pune, 104 Mumbai. Okay, you are from Bangalore. That's why I type Bangalore.
2 colon.
I want only cities. I want only cities.
3 colon.
I want only cities. Then city equals to ID of
3 is to 2 colon.
where city starts here?
3
colon 4 index 3. 3 colon.
City starts at 4th position. That means index number 3.
3.
Colon end. That's
only. Yeah.
Automatically HYD will be taken from here and Delhi will be taken from here. Pune will be taken from here and Mumbai here and Bangalore here, right? Suppose one more reverse example, last example. My ID is like this. My ID is like this. Okay. HYD, let's say my variable is info. HYD 101. Delhi 102 and Pune 103 and Mumbai 104, Bangalore
105.
I want to take only city. Now tell me.
Info is to minus 3. Colon minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Colon?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Colon minus 3.
Minus 3.
No, minus 3.
Minus 3. Correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Like this. This is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. Except minus 3, all the remaining things I want. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So on that way. All of you understood today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
sir, immediately I need to step into other class. Already time is past for 5 minutes. So please, I will share you this recording. Please do practice once again. Tomorrow we go for more advanced concepts. Today this session is only for beginners, but tomorrow session will be for beginners and experienced.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Sir,
Thank you,
do we
sir.
need any
Thank you.
anything to download?
Thank you.
All of
Thank you, sir.
All of you. All of you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Bye. 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 Bye.